Hello student, in mechanical properties of fluid, we can discuss about the fluid in motion. In mechanical properties, that is fluid in motion, we can discuss. That is, in our daily life, we come across the many examples of fluid in motion. That is, water comes out from tap. Also, the flow of river. Also, these are the examples when fluid in motion. When the flow of cooking gas, for example, flow of cooking gas, as well as first example, then after that flow of water, through the tap. This is say that the fluid in motion. In, for example, flow of cooking gas, also flow of water through the tap, flow of water through the river, flow of water through the river or canal. These are examples of fluid in motion. Then we can say that the branch of physics, which deals with the study of fluid in motion. Then it is called as hydrodynamics. These are the examples of fluid in motion. When flow of cooking gas, flow of water through the tap, flow of water through the river or canal. These are examples of when fluid in motion. And the branch in which deals with the study of fluid in motion, then it is called as hydrodynamics. ज्या ब्रांच मध्ये काय अभ्यास केला जातो? when the study of fluid in motion, then that branch it is called as hydrodynamics. The branch of the physics which deals with the study of fluid in motion, then it is called as hydrodynamics. ज्या ब्रांच मध्ये fluid in motion चा अभ्यास केला जातो त्या ब्रांचला काय म्हणणार आपण? hydrodynamics. Then let us consider the figure of flow of this fluid through the pipe. Let us consider diagram of this is the area, this is the flow line, this is the cross sectional area, and this is the flow tube. This is the diagram of figure of flow line. Flow line and flow tube. Flow line in a flow tube. Flow line in a flow tube. In this diagram, this is the area of cross section of the tube, which changes to direction and area changes, and in which flow lines. Flow lines means flow line means in this case flow line in this case it is the path of individual particle. It is the path of individual particle of a fluid in motion. यामध्ये फ्लो लाइन म्हणजे काय आहे? इट इज द पाथ ऑफ इंडिव्हिज्युअल पार्टिकल ऑफ द फ्लुइड इन मोशन. हे काय आहे? पार्टिकल्स आहे, पाथ ऑफ इंडिव्हिज्युअल पार्टिकल ऑफ द फ्लुइड इन द मोशन. देन स्टेडी फ्लो मीन्स यामध्ये स्टेडी फ्लो म्हणजे काय म्हणता येईल? द फ्लो इन विच pressure and velocity at that point is constant. प्रेशर आणि वेलोसिटी काय असते? कॉन्स्टंट असते. स्टेडी फ्लो म्हणजे काय म्हणता येईल? द फ्लो इन विच प्रेशर अँड वेलोसिटी ॲट दॅट पॉइंट इट इज कॉन्स्टंट or it is same. Then after that flow tube means it is the imaginary bundle of flow lines. It has the imaginary bundles of flow lines bounded by imaginary wall. It is the imaginary bundle of flow line. It is the imaginary bundle of flow line bounded by imaginary wall. तर या फिगर मध्ये आपण बघितलं की ही एक काय फ्लो ट्यूब आहे. यामध्ये आपण त्याचं डायरेक्शन आणि वेलोसिटी काय होते चेंजेस, and cross sectional area and direction of the velocity changes, in which flow line means it is the path of individual, it is the path of bundle line. Flow lines means it is the path of individual particle of fluid in motion. And steady flow म्हणजे काय म्हणता येईल? जिथं वेलोसिटी आणि प्रेशर काय असतं? कॉन्स्टंट असतं. आणि फ्लो ट्यूब म्हणजे काय म्हणता येईल आपल्याला? इट इज द इमॅजिनरी बंडल ऑफ फ्लो लाइन्स बाउंडेड बाय द इमॅजिनरी वॉल. देन this is about this flow line and flow type. And streamline means it is the point or it is the curve at which the tangent at any flow point in the flow of direction of the velocity of the fluid. Then there are two types of flow, that is streamline flow and turbulent flow. After that we can discuss about, that is there are two types of flow line, that that is streamline flow and turbulent flow. Streamline flow and turbulent flow. First, streamline flow. Streamline flow or laminar flow. Streamline flow or laminar flow. Streamline flow or laminar flow. For that purpose, here diagram is drawn of streamline flow. Streamline flow. The streamline flow. This is the figure of streamline flow in which diagram is drawn here. That is streamline flow. Figure. Then second type, that is turbulent flow. Second type, that is turbulent flow. Turbulent flow. This is the figure of turbulent flow. There are two types of flow, that is streamline flow and turbulent flow. Streamline flow means the flow in which it is steady flow. It is steady flow in which adjacent layers of the fluid, it can move smoothly over each other. Streamline flow means the flow, it is the steady flow or in which adjacent layers of fluid move smoothly on each other. And after that, we can discuss about the turbulent flow. In streamline flow, adjacent layer cannot mix with other layers. Also, this fluid cannot cross this wall. This is about the streamline flow. Then after that, we can discuss about the turbulent flow. Turbulent flow means the flow in which this flow is unsteady flow. This flow is called as unsteady flow. That is in which particle moves in randomly in all direction. This particle moves in any direction, unsteady flow, or it moves fastly. For example, in case of streamline flow, that is flow of river is called as streamline flow, and flow of, for example, of this turbulent flow, that is flooded river. The flow of water takes place in unsteady. It does not move steadily, it particle moves in fast way and its direction changes. It moves in random direction. Then after that we can discuss about the difference between the streamlined flow and turbulent flow. Streamlined flow it is steady flow. streamline flow हा काय steady flow आहे. हा कसला फ्लो आहे अनस्टेडी फ्लो. एक्झाम्पल याचं काय द फ्लो ऑफ स्टेडी रिवर फ्लो ऑफ वॉटर in a river it is called as streamline flow. And flow of flooded river, then at that time that flow it is called as turbulent flow. Then after that we can discuss about the difference between streamline flow and turbulent flow. The difference between streamline flow and turbulent flow. Streamline flow and then turbulent flow. Streamline flow. In streamline flow, that is flow of fluid, velocity is smaller than critical velocity. Velocity is smaller than critical velocity. Critical velocity. Its velocity is smaller than critical velocity. Then at that time it is called as streamline flow, or this turbulent flow it is called as it is unsteady. It is unsteady flow. Unsteady flow. हा काय unsteady flow, and this is called as steady flow in which velocity increases than the critical velocity. In streamline flow it is steady flow. हा कसला फ्लो आहे it is steady flow in which velocity is smaller than critical velocity. It is unsteady flow in which velocity increases than the critical velocity. Critical velocity means this velocity, that is flow is streamline or turbulent. It differentiates on the basis of critical velocity. It is the velocity beyond which streamline flow become turbulent flow. Then that velocity is called as critical velocity. It is the velocity beyond which streamline flow become turbulent flow. Then it is called as critical velocity. Then in this case velocity remains constant. Velocity remains constant. यामध्ये काय होते velocity does not remain constant. यामध्ये काय होते in turbulent flow, this is the first point, velocity does not remain constant. यामध्ये velocity remains constant. In this case, two streamline can never intersect. दोन ज्या स्ट्रीमलाईन आहेत त्या काय होऊ शकत नाहीत. इट कॅनॉट नेव्हर intersect. It cannot never intersect. And in this case, in the turbulent flow, in that case, at some point, in turbulent flow, at some point, particle moves in random motion, and at some point when particle moves in the direction at some point, then fluid may have rotational motion. Fluid have take rotational motion and gives rise to the eddies. At some point, काही पॉइंटला काय होते, fluid have take rotational motion and gives rise to the eddies. इथं काय होते, दोन स्ट्रीमलाईन that it can never intersect. इथं काय होते, at some point fluid have take rotational motion. Fluid have take rotational motion and gives rise to the eddies. इथं काय होईल, velocity is smaller than critical velocity and velocity is smaller than critical velocity. And also it is called as steady flow. It is unsteady flow in which velocity increases than the critical velocity. यामध्ये velocity काय होते, remains constant. यामध्ये velocity does not remain constant. Two streamline can never intersect. यामध्ये at some point fluid have take rotational motion and gives rise to the eddies. Fourth point, in streamline flow. In streamline flow, over the plane surface, surface is divided into number of plane layers. In streamline flow, it can display over the plane surface. It is divided into number of these plane layers. यामध्ये plane layer मध्ये काय होते, streamline flow काय होते, it is divided into number of plane layer. And in case of turbulent flow, fluid loses its order and it moves in a random motion. This is the difference between streamline flow and turbulent flow. That is, in case of streamline flow, velocity is smaller than the critical velocity, and it is unsteady flow. It is steady flow, in which velocity is greater than critical velocity. Is turbulent flow, velocity remains constant. Velocity does not remain constant. In streamline flow, two streamline can never intersect. At some point, fluid have take rotational motion and gives rise to the eddies. And in case in streamline flow, this flow is over the plane surface. It is divided into number of plane layers. In turbulent flow, it loses its order and it move in a random motion. This is the difference between streamline flow and turbulent flow. And in this case, critical velocity means, critical velocity, it is the velocity in which, beyond which streamline flow become turbulent flow. After that we can discuss about the critical velocity. Critical velocity, it is denoted by Vc. Critical velocity and Reynolds number. Critical velocity and Reynolds number. Reynolds number. Critical velocity and Reynolds number. Critical velocity, it is denoted by Vc. कशाला दाखवतो आपण critical velocity, it is denoted by Vc and it is given by Rn eta divided by rho d. कशाला दाखवतो तर critical velocity म्हणजे काय पहिल्यांदा बघणार आहे, that is flow becomes streamline or turbulent flow. It is based on this critical velocity. Flow हा streamline आहे का turbulent flow आहे, it is based on the term critical velocity. It differentiate this critical velocity, differentiate that is streamline flow or turbulent flow. That is, it is the velocity beyond which flow, streamline flow become turbulent flow, in which where Vc, then that velocity is called as critical velocity. या वेळेला velocityला काय म्हणणार आहे, critical velocity. R, it is Reynolds number. R काय Reynolds number. In this equation 1, R is the Reynolds number, eta is the coefficient of viscosity. Viscosity and rho is density of liquid and d is diameter of the tube. D is diameter of tube. In this case, Vc, in this equation 1, Vc is the critical velocity, R is the Reynolds number and eta is the coefficient of viscosity and rho is density of liquid and d is the diameter of the tube. Then in that case if R is equal to, equation become R is equal to Vc rho d divided by eta. Vc rho d divided by eta, where eta is the coefficient of viscosity, Vc is the critical velocity, rho is density, where Rn, it is the Reynolds number and it is the pure number. It is the pure number which has no dimension and no unit. ज्याला unit नाही आहे आणि dimension नाही आहे त्याला काय म्हणणार त्याला Rn, it is called as pure number, that is Reynolds number. It has no unit, and no dimension, त्याला युनिट पण नाही आणि डायमेन्शन पण नाही. And its range, if this pure number, Reynolds number, it is less than 1000, is pure number, it is less than, then first case, that is it is the pure number and which has no unit and dimension. Then when this Reynolds number, it is less than 1000, then flow is streamline flow, then flow is streamline flow. यामध्ये काय म्हणता येईल आपल्याला, फ्लो हा कसा आहे, स्ट्रीमलाईन आहे असं म्हणता येईल. त्यानंतर सेकंड कंडिशन, दॅट इज ज्यावेळेस हा रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर 1000 पेक्षा लहान असेल त्यावेळेस तो फ्लो कसा असेल, स्ट्रीमलाईन फ्लो असेल. अँड इफ दिस सेकंड केस, इफ दिस Rn or Reynolds number is greater than 2000, then flow is turbulent flow. फ्लो कसा असेल, टर्ब्युलंट फ्लो असेल. त्यानंतर थर्ड काय आहे, रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर. इफ दिस रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर इज between 1000 to 2000, 1000 आणि 2000 च्या मध्ये असेल तर त्यावेळेस काय सांगता येईल, फ्लो इज अनस्टेबल. त्यावेळेस काय म्हणता येईल आपल्याला, फ्लो कसा आहे, अनस्टेडी. दिस इज द about the critical velocity, in which we can discuss about that. Critical velocity, it is the velocity beyond which streamline flow become turbulent flow. It is the velocity beyond which this streamline flow become turbulent flow. And this critical velocity, it is given by Rn eta rho d, where Rn is the Reynolds number, eta is coefficient of viscosity, rho is density, d is diameter. And there are three conditions of this Reynolds number. Reynolds number, it is given by Vc rho d divided by eta. When this Reynolds number is less than 1000, then flow becomes streamlined flow. And when this Reynolds number is greater than 2000, then flow is turbulent flow. And when this Reynolds number is in between 1000 to 2000, then flow is unsteady flow. Then कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ विस्कोसिटी. विस्कोसिटी म्हणजे काय म्हणता येईल आपल्याला, इटा मीन्स कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ विस्कोसिटी. विस्कोसिटी मीन्स वी नो दैट व्हेन water falls, when it is poured in the glass, when water is poured in the glass, then it moves very fastly. But honey, it is poured in the glass, then it moves slowly. Then we can say that this honey is more viscous than the water. Therefore, water has low viscosity and honey has high viscosity. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस आपण पाणी ग्लासमध्ये ओततो त्यावेळेस काय होतं, इट मूव्स व्हेरी फास्टली. पण जर तुम्ही मध वगैरे घेतला आणि तो जर ग्लासमध्ये तुम्ही हे केला, इट इज poured in the glass, then at that time it moves in slow way. It means that property is called as viscosity. In next lecture we are discuss about that co-viscosity. In this lecture we are discuss about the fluid in motion as well as critical velocity and Reynolds number. Thank you.